And we are about to bring you more fireworks right here at the showdown in Bacolod, Matra Matibay. A battle for the ABF Bantamweight Championship belt between J.R. Raquinel of Cagayan Negros Occidental against the Lion of Tanzania in Imane Matendo. Raquinel starting aggressive here in the first round. As we can see Matendo backing down against the
nice clean punch by Raquinel. Matendo trying to scurry away.
And Matendo getting wobbly here early on the first round.
That punch really sets the tone for this round. With only less than 1 minute passed.
Matendo trying to recover here.
Now Matendo trying to be careful not to repeat the same mistake again. As Raquinel is out for blood.
Raquinel still pursuing Matendo into the corner.
Now Matendo here is sporting blue trunks with, or rather red trunks with blue stripes. Meanwhile, Raquinel is sporting black trunks with white lightning bolts for his trunks. Now Matendo looks like he is being backed off again against the ropes or against a corner. Trying to be careful once again, not to be careful, not to repeat the same mistake.
And Raquinel making an early stunner here against Matendo. Great uppercut coming from Raquinel right there.
Raquinel's punches are very speedy. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. But right here, right now at this venue, we can clearly see Raquinel's punches are like lightning. Same as his trunks.
Raquinel goes into the body of Matendo. Great body shots coming from Matendo. And a straight jab coming from Raquinel. Oh, that stands Matendo right there in the corner.
And that's the 10-second clapper we have here.
And that ends the first round as Raquinel setting up the tempo right here against Matendo with an overhand left right at the temple of Matendo.
That definitely rocked Matendo, which made him careful all throughout the round. He does not want that same mistake again, which could cost him dearly. Delicado.
And credit to the Lion that he was able to survive with that first round, Yong.
Again, this is the battle for the Bantamweight Championship belt. With Raquinel against Matendo for the Dreamer versus the Lion. And now, as round 2 starts, let us see how this round goes. As Raquinel took first round.
Matendo is coming up with 7 wins and a loss. His wins comes with 3 knockouts.
Now it looks like Raquinel has some height and reach advantage here compared to Matendo, although it's only by a slight bit. Matendo trying to gain momentum for this round. compared to last round. Trying to get some footing here. Babawi si Matendo. Ayaw magpatalo.
And the 28-year-old boxer from Kawayan, J.R. Raquinel, coming up with 17 wins and 2 losses and a draw.
Now Matendo goes for the offense, tries to throw several punches there to Raquinel and connects. Again, Raquinel here has good spacing. He always has Matendo against the ropes or against a corner. However, Matendo is not that easy to back off. He knows how to maneuver in this fight.
Great combinations coming from Raquinel. And Matendo trying to escape at the corner.
Again, we see how Raquinel dominates the ring by using the space or spacing.
Great body shot again coming from Raquinel. And a overhand left hitting the chin of Matendo.
That left hand of Raquinel is quite deadly. And Matendo knows it.
Nice counter left hook coming from Raquinel. After that combination set up by Matendo. Great exchanges. And a short hook coming from that was a right short hook from Raquinel.
Matendo here trying to control the pacing. However,
again,
Raquinel.
That was a good counter hook from Raquinel. Still pursuing Matendo here.
Again,
shot to the body.
Good shots by Raquinel so far.
And there goes the end of the second round. It's been the dreamer, J.R. Raquinel, continues to pound on the lion, Imani Matendo, in the second round. Though Matendo was able to answer with his own couple of combinations against Raquinel. Pero nalakas yung mga counter-punches ni J.R. Raquinel, especially with those body shots.
Exactly. I mean, as I've said earlier, Raquinel is clearly out for blood and is not backing down against the Lion of Tanzania. We will see in the next few rounds how Matendo responds against those shots by Raquinel.
And during the press con yesterday, Matendo was telling the press that he wants to end this fight during the third round. And let's see if that happens right here. A big straight right coming from Raquinel.
Again, good shots by Raquinel. Once again, as I've said earlier from the past rounds. And again, Matendo goes down.
And there goes Matendo on the canvas for the first time. Right here on the round 3.
And as you see, Raquinel is always pushing Matendo against a corner or against the ropes.
Great body shots from Raquinel. Now Matendo is holding on to Raquinel, trying to survive in this third round.
Again, Matendo trying to gain some space here. Pero Raquinel, his punches just go straight through.
Those are big left hooks coming from Raquinel.
Raquel switching hands. Looking for an opportunity to strike. The Lion.
Great uppercut coming from Raquel. And a straight jab.
So far, we have seen Raquel being on the offense throughout the past rounds. And Matendo on the defense.
And Matendo backpedaling already here in the third round. Matendo with those body shots against Raquel. Raquel trying to pin Matendo in the corner.
Matendo is clearly pacing it out, trying to get a breather. Look for an opportunity to also respond to Raquel's punches. Which way will this fight go?
Oh, big left hook coming from Raquel. Raquel trying to finish this round, but Matendo able to fight back. Big body shot from Raquel. And there goes the end of the action-packed third round here at Matira Matibay for the ABF Vacant Bantamweight Championship belt.
Again, so far from what we have seen from the past 3 rounds, Raquel has taken the advantage and the momentum against Matendo. As you can see from the replay, Matendo getting down on his knees from Raquel's shots.
Those are heavy left hooks coming from JR the Trimmer Raquel that puts Matendo down on the canvas the third round.
And again, Matendo there. Slips. Raquel, so far from what I've seen, has been good. And I mean, taking advantage of the way how he takes space inside the ring against Matendo.
And it's Matendo just trying to survive in these rounds against Raquel. As we are about to set for the round 4.
Again, the same tone. Raquel and Matendo looking for a way to get past each other's defense. Waiting for a chance to attack. Exchange of blows, but no connection so far.
Raquel still pushing forward against Matendo right here. Heavy, big right, and combinations, and a body shot coming from Raquel. And down goes Matendo once again.
That is for the second time already.
Yeah, that was a big body shot coming from Raquel. And once again, Matendo took a knee with 1 minute and 54 seconds left in round 4. And here comes Raquel putting up another body shot on Matendo.
Raquel out for blood. He is going at it against the Lion.
And Matendo answers with a body shot of his own. And down Matendo once again.
That was a great body shot by Raquel. Hopefully the camera got it for instant replay.
And Matendo trying to get up after that body shot coming from Raquinel. And we'll take a look at the replay. That was a big uppercut coming from Raquinel. And right there was a big blow to the gut that puts Matendo down at the round 4. And finally, J.R. Raquinel knocking the Lion out.
1 minute 56 seconds. We have a winner by technical knockout.